This is a video to correct task 5, page 157. All right, so a first spinner has four colors, red, blue, and yellow. So let me draw the spinner for you, right? And it's divided by equal sides, four. So I have one side blue, one side green, right? One side yellow, and the other side is red. So this is my spinner, and I have an arrows that will be spun to get a color like that. Right, so it's spun once, and they want you to list two possible outcomes that are mutually exclusive. So two mutually exclusive outcomes that it means that these two outcomes cannot happen at the same time. They cannot happen at the same time, right? They can't happen at the same time. So, for example, for me, I can name these two outcomes. For example, getting blue or getting red. So, getting blue, getting red, these two outcomes are mutually exclusive. For example, getting yellow and yellow and getting red as well, getting red. So these two as well are mutually exclusive. So this is for A. For B, list two outcomes that are not mutually exclusive. So I need to think about two outcomes that can happen at the same time. So for example, I can think about getting blue, and I will take the second event. It will be getting a color different than red. So a color that is different than red, it could be yellow, green, and blue. So blue is one of the possible outcomes that verify this event. So these two can happen at the same time, right? You can also say getting red, and the second outcome, it will be getting a color different than yellow, for example. Right, so I know that the colors that are different than yellows are yellow, that I have B, G, and F. Right, now find the probabilities of your four outcomes in B. So for your outcomes in B. So for example, I will focus on these two outcomes. So for example, the probability of getting blue, right? The probability of getting a blue. I have only one section with the blue color, so it will be 1/4. So I have 25% chance to get blue. Now, if I would like to get a color that is different than red, I have probability of getting, color different than red. So a color different than red, I have three possible outcomes: green, blue, and yellow. So it will be 3/4, and 3/4 is equal to 75%, or you can verify that. Just divide by 3 by 4, and you'll get it's equal to 0.75. Multiply that by 100, and you get this probability, right? It's up to you. Here in the exercise, they didn't say you need to write it as a percentage, but it's okay. I may ask you during the exam. Thanks for watching, and revise well. Bye-bye.